In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Google Classroom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your class, find the right assignment, and upload a file from your device with confidence. Start on the Google Classroom homepage. If you're not already there, open Classroom and make sure you're signed in to the correct account your school or organization uses. From the home view, choose the class you want to work in. In this example, the class is called Sample, but you'll select the class that matches your course. Once you're inside the class, go to the Classwork tab at the top. This is where teachers post assignments, questions, and materials. Look through the list and find the assignment you need. In our example, it's titled Reflection Paper. Click the assignment to open its details page. Next, choose View Instructions. This is a quick way to confirm what the teacher expects, including any file type or naming guidelines. Taking a moment to read this can save you from uploading the wrong format or missing a requirement. Now look for the Add or Create button. Click it to open your options for submitting work. You'll see choices for different sources. Select the option with the paperclip icon labeled File. This tells Classroom you want to attach a file from your computer or device rather than creating something new in Docs or pulling from Drive. Click Browse to open your file picker. Navigate to the folder where your document, PDF, image, or other required file is saved. Select the correct file and confirm. The upload will begin immediately. If your file is large or your internet connection is slow, give it a moment to finish. You'll see the file appear under your work once it's attached. Take a second to verify it's the right file. You can click the attachment to preview it, check the file name, and confirm the latest version is attached. If something looks off, remove it and repeat the browse step to upload the correct one. You can add more than one file by repeating this process if your teacher allows multiple attachments. A few quick tips. Keep file names clear and specific so your teacher can recognize your work. Common formats like Google Docs, PDFs, images, and slides usually upload smoothly. On some devices, the button may read Choose File or Upload instead of Browse, but it works the same way. And if your teacher requests a specific format, export or save your document accordingly before attaching. That's it. Your file is now attached to the assignment in Google Classroom and ready for your next steps as directed by your teacher.